Fallen City is a unique interdisciplinary performance, fusing live music with video arts, installation, and earthquake science.
We'll be talking about the seismology of the earthquake itself. And then through the use of pendulum, we'll demonstrate what the earthquake signal will look like. And we will also be showing the effect of earthquake early warning. And we'll also be bringing up a shake table to demonstrate the latest technology available to mitigate the risk of earthquakes. And at the end, we'll be showing some videos about the aftermath and the recovery of earthquakes and the people's experience on the earthquake.
第一个阶段是研究工作，所以我画了一群猫在玩耍。那我给它们代表的是一些三角形的材料，那猫就很好奇那件事怎么弄。第二个阶段就是地震的预警，所以所有的猫都像是听到什么突然转过头来。再来就是做防震结构，那我把这些散落的三角形集合起来变成一个金字塔比较稳固的形状。第四个阶段就是灾后的重建，所有的猫咪都休息睡觉，表示一切都过去了，大家就很平静的回到原本正常的生活。
The music will be performed by Proliferasian, bringing together Chinese music with avant-garde jazz. The musicians, including J.P. Carter on trumpet and electronics, myself Lan Tung on the erhu and vocals, Dorian Tung on zheng, the Chinese zither, Kevin Roman on drums, Colin Cohen on the bass. Come to the Annex Theater at 3 p.m. on September 11 to find out more about the earthquakes through the arts.